You know, I can be driving along the motorway, starving hungry, thinking, oh God, pull into the motorway cafe, look in there and get back in the car and keep driving because there was nothing I would eat. Hi, I'm Richard Gibbs. I'm a professional chef with years of experience. I'd always enjoyed food. From a very early age, I'd just loved eating. I loved cooking. Food is one thing that you can produce, you know, every day to enhance and make your life more enjoyable. I just always had this fascination about what was going on in the kitchen. You know, you're sitting in a hotel dining room or something like that. You know, you see the swinging doors, and you're always sort of thinking, and you could hear the sort of chaos and noise and everything around the back there, and it was always a fascination of what was going on. When I saw the opportunities that were offered by the concept of EO Chef, I thought this is just absolutely for me. You know, it's like I can produce menus, I can cook the dishes that I want, and the experiences I've had so far have been very, very rewarding. The whole industry and profession has the wrong labels sometimes. I suppose that the traditional side of me comes out in that I do prefer simplicity, and I do think that some menus and dishes get overcomplicated. There is this obsession about making sure it's right for critics and whoever else. Whereas at the end of the day, what matters are your customers, are the people that you're cooking for.